Hello everyone, I'm going to explain how to run C and C++ programs in Visual Code. For installing Visual Code and also running C and C++ programs, we have to follow these steps. What is the step one? The step one is we have to install Microsoft Visual Studio Code. So for installing and downloading Visual Studio Code, just you have to type Visual Studio Code download. Visual Studio Code download. Here, if you observe, this is the official website for downloading Visual Studio Code. Just you have to tap on here. Here, it suggests different Visual Studio Code files for Windows, for Linux, for Macintosh. I'm using Windows operating system, so I have to click on directly on Microsoft Windows. So once if we click on it, automatically download process will be started. So this is the downloaded file. Just I want to tap on file link. Here we have to choose I accept the agreement. Just click on next button. Again click next. Again click next. Here just you have to tap on create a desktop icon checkbox. Again click on next. Finally click on install. Automatically Microsoft Visual Studio Code will be installed in our local system or laptop. So this is the step one. Now we have to create one folder at our particular location. Just I want to create a folder for storing programming files. Just I want to create one folder. Suppose my folder name is just I want to rename C programs. What is my folder name? Programs. Now we have to go to file menu. Now here you can find one option. The option is open folder. Now my folder is located at D drive. So folder name is programs. So now click on select folder. Now it will ask you to accept I trust the others. Just you have to click on yes, I trust the others. Now automatically folder will be added to Microsoft Studio Code. Whenever if you want to do any C or C++ programs, automatically all program files will be stored under this folder only. Now just I want to just create one file. So file name is welcome.c. Welcome.c. Now, whenever if you want to enter the extension, automatically the particular programming language extension file will be asked to install. Now it will ask you to install the C or C++ extension. So that is the step 2. What is the step 2? Install C or C++ extension software. Now just click on install. Once installation completed, you can identify the disable option. So now the extension file is installed. Now what is the third step? Install code runner extension. So now here we have to click on extension. Here we have to type code runner. Code runner. So this is the code runner. Now we have to install code runner. So now code runner is also installed in Microsoft Studio. Now what is the next step? Now we have to set the MinGW path. Here we have to, depending on MinGW. So here I'm using 64-bit operating system. For that I'm asking MinGW 64. In case if you are using 32-bit operating system, we have to use MinGW 32. Now I'm just to click on MinGW 64 download. Now we have to choose the first sourceforge.net website. Just click on here. Now don't click on downloads option. Now here we have to click on files menu. Have to click on files menu. In this files menu, we have to observe the different versions. So what is the useful version? MinGW W64. In this version, we have to download this second option. In case if you are using 32-bit operating system, you can click on here. Now I'm using 64-bit operating system. Now don't click on first option. We have to click on second option. Automatically, the supported file will be downloaded. It will take 1 or 2 minutes time for downloading. So this is the downloading file option. It will take 1 or 2 minutes time. So this file is very, very important for running C and C++ programs. So in case if you download the MinGW software directly, you cannot run C and C++ programs. So there is so much of issues with the software directly. So this is the better solution for adding MinGW folder to our computer directly. It is working 100%. So it will take either 1 or 2 minutes time. So we can run not only C and C++ programs, we can run Python programs, Java programs also in Visual Studio Code. If you want more coding related videos, and also I will upload Python programming language and also Java programming language important coding questions within couple of days. Again, it will take another 30 seconds time. So setting path is very, very important because C and C++ are mission dependent. That's the main reason we have to depending on MinGW. So for Java and Python, no need to set any path. Directly we can access because they are platform independent. Now, once downloaded process completed, we have to go to download history. Now here, now we have to extract this MinGW64 to C drive directly. Directly we have to extract MinGW64 to C drive directly. You must include this folder under C drive. So that is the, so place MinGW folder in C drive. Now I have to show you MinGW folder under C drive. So this is the MinGW64. Now again we have to tap on MinGW64 folder. Now here we have to tap on bin. Now we have to copy this path. Just you have to click on here. Just you can use Control C. Control C is nothing but copy this path. We have to copy this path. So just you have to use keyboard to copy this path using with Control C. Once copy this, we have to set the environmental variable. Now we have to set the MinGW path. How can we set the path? For setting path, here we have to search for edit environmental variable. Edit the system environmental variable. It is very, very important. So edit the system environmental variables. Here we have to click on environmental variables. In this, we have to find the path here. In this path, just select the path, click on edit option. Now directly path is set. In case if you want to set the path again, just click on new option, paste the path here. So this is the path for setting in our local system. Now we have to click on OK, again click on OK, again click on OK. Once again, we have to close the program and open the Microsoft Visual Studio Code again. Now refresh the screen. Now we have to open the Visual Studio Code. Now I want to type the C program. So what is the basic C program? So first hash include stdio.h. Next here, how to type int main. Now here, just I want to enter printf subscribe. Now the program is terminated with return 0. So this is the program. Now, if you want to run the program here, we have to click on debug C file. Now directly you have to click on the first option. Now, if you observe, it will ask you to configuration. Now we can run the code. So subscribe. Just